Hey Vancouver, we're BBY11, and this is our application, Forage Friends. Our team consists of our front-end engineer, Tyson, our back-end engineer, Umunga, our map merchant, Tommy, our lead designer, Angelica, and our game designer, Arjun. So what is the problem? As the cost of living crisis continues in Vancouver, groceries are still very expensive, and conventional solutions to food insecurity are oversaturated. 14% of the food produced in Vancouver is consumed within the region, and there's no safe way to identify edible foods. There's a lot of untapped potential. We imagine a user of our application would be someone like Bobbert. He's 19 years old, he's a student, and he's a young software engineer. He's a local of Vancouver, but he wants to enjoy more from the city around him, while being able to save some cash.
Our solution to the problem, our app, Foraging Friends, it helps users safely identify plants and find foraging spots in their area. Its goal is to make foraging simple, educational, and interactive for everyone. It uses maps, plant recognition, and gamified pet features to keep users engaged. Our app has 4 core features: our camera page, our map page, our catalog page, and our pet page.
Hello, my name is Tyson Nguyen, and this is the demo of our app. If I click Get Started here, we can log in and sign up. I click Log into my credentials. We're introduced to our first feature, which is a pet feature. We can feed it and see the stat changes. You can pet it and give it some hearts, and then we can also change our hat here. Here on the catalog page, it'll display information of plants. These plants are from our own personal database of our app, so all the information and data are verified and validated by us. Here we can check out this cloudberry and see more information about it. Here on the map page, users can place markers to where they found plants. So this user has found a salmonberry right here. If I click Open Item, it'll bring us back to the catalog page and displays the information. We can also place our own markers here. If I double click the map and designate this location to a salmonberry, let's say, I can place this marker and now it's a new marker for a salmonberry. Then our final feature here is our camera feature, where if I click this, we can take a picture of any plant, and then we'll use the Planet API to identify it, and right here, and we get the results.
How we built our app. For front-end, we mainly used resources like React, Vite, TypeScript, and CSS. For our backend, we used JavaScript mostly with a bit of Node.js and Express. Our database, we used MongoDB. We used Leaflet, PlanetNet, and Gemini for our app. And we completed 4 epics and 10 feature user stories.
Throughout this project, one of our biggest lessons was learning how important prioritization is during development. We realized that scope creep can quickly become a problem when too many features are added at once. So focusing on MVP goals and sprint planning became very important for our team. We also learned a lot about teamwork, communication, and adapting to changing project requirements throughout development. Overall, Forage Friends was designed to make learning about foraging safe, interactive, and accessible for everyone. And beyond the project itself, it was also about the collaboration we built along the way. Thank you.